If you're planning to buy a high-end 4K projector in 2025, this one will blow your mind. It's compact, powerful, and gives a picture quality that easily rivals many premium TVs. By the way, I bought this JMGO N1S Pro projector directly from Amazon. The link is in the description. Use it for the best deal, official seller, and any available coupons. Now let's talk about what makes this projector stand out. The JMGO N1S Pro features a triple laser light source, native 4K resolution, and up to 2250 ISO lumens brightness, which means everything looks razor-sharp vibrant and crystal clear even on a big screen. Colors feel alive, skin tones look natural, and with HDR10 and Dolby Digital Plus, the contrast and depth in dark scenes are incredibly immersive, perfect for movie nights or high-end content. It supports up to a 300-inch screen, and here's the best part. It comes with 360-degree real-time autofocus and keystone correction. Just place it anywhere, and the projector aligns itself. No need to adjust anything manually. The built-in Netflix and Google TV apps work flawlessly. No extra Fire Stick needed. Plus, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it super smooth to pair with your phone or external speakers. It's portable too, ideal for both home and outdoor setups. Whether you're watching Pixar films, live sports, or gaming on a console, this projector delivers like a champ. So again, check out the link in the description. I bought it from there, and you should too for the best price and fast delivery.